Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna do a quick go through of using the Lightroom Mobile to enhance the lighting. So what I mean is I'm using the brush. So for example, there are some shadow area. I'm gonna do the shadow area, just brighten out. Kind of like the Lightroom, just do a small brush. Then you select the lights, then you can do the shadow. Just want to show quickly how I do the see either before and after. You can just enhance the exposure also, but I usually do the shadow instead, so that it's much easier. Lighter is not too strong. Once I did that, you can select a tool area, another area also. So you can select more of this area. So if you want slightly a little bit more highlight shadow, you can do that, and you can do the highlight also, so it's more flexible. So this is Lightroom Mobile. In the this is the zoom shoot that I did before. So let me do another one. So this one also I want to do the face a little bit lighter, so I'm gonna select the area first. Let's do the brush, select this area a little bit lighter, just slightly a little bit lighter right here. So not too obvious, because I can show you a bad example. If it's too much, you can see that it's not natural for exposure. So I don't usually do exposure, I just usually add some shadow. If it's not enough in that case, then you add exposure. So just slightly not too obvious like that, and then you can save it first and then do another run. If it's still you want slightly variant in here, so just do another run around the face area. I'm going to do another shadow. So this is Lightroom Mobile, and I register the Lightroom with the photography plan also, so I can download the mobile and then sign in the account. And if you want the Adobe Cloud, you can share the cloud also, but I'm just doing the basic plan for the photographer plan. That includes Lightroom Mobile and then the Lightroom Classic. So once I did that and then save and share, let's do one more. So this one I don't need too much, I just need a very slightly variant. I like the lighting and tilted direction already. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna do the brush first, just slightly in this area, and then a little bit more shadow. I think this one doesn't need much, I just do a small one, export to camera roll so that the size is full size. And then let me do another one, this one, do the select, and then select the area of the face like here, around here, and then do the highlight shadow. You can see the difference. If it's too much, it's not natural, you can just slightly add a little bit more, so it adds in a little bit of the mood right there. So let me save it, save this one, and then do another one. So the lights, and then let me do the brush. So this one, because it's tilted to the window already, and I can just do a slightly shadow like this. And then this one is much darker. I'm gonna just do a center area in here to the brush. So mostly in here, in this center area, I'm gonna do the shadow. You can see the difference. I might do a 60%, not too much, and if I want it, I try one more time to see how it goes. So let me try it one more time. Okay, so I think I just leave it like that. And so I'm just showing you what I usually do is just, if you want to increase the shadow a little bit more in the mobile. So let me do the brush one again and then do it here. So this time you can do this, and then just want to show you the effect. So just slightly, a little bit, not too much. If it's too strong, it will be not natural to the overall image. So that's it. That's a quick overview of how I do the increase a little bit of light in the Lightroom Mobile. I use the Lightroom Mobile to increase the light, and then I'm gonna do the editing on the VSCO as well. So stay tuned for more video coming up. Thanks for watching, and bye. See you next time.